dedicated programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. So for now, we learned about how to create the navigation bar. But though there are two types of navigation bars we saw. So one is the vertical navigation bar, another one is horizontal navigation bar, right? So now when you create a horizontal navigation bar, if you scroll your page, the navigation bar will also be scrolled. So how to fix this? So let's see that. Okay, so first go to the UL, and here I'm adding some styles to this. So position I'm mentioning here that should be the fixed position, and top 0. Okay, and width obviously it will be 100%. Okay, yeah, let's see this. Go to the web page, refresh your page. Yeah, so it is fixed, and let's create some content in the paragraph or in the div element. So let's create a paragraph. Okay, and so in the paragraph I'm just typing here, this is a paragraph. Okay, copy this, copy and paste it. Okay, yes, all right. So let's close the p tag, save this, and go back to the web page. Yeah, you can see here, if you scroll also, your navigation bar is not scrolling, right? So this is how you can fix your navigation bar. And also we did not use the list style type is none, and for the list anchor also we have to apply list style type none, so that it will okay, sorry, text decoration none, so it will remove the underline, and text align center. Save. Let's check. Yeah, right, the alignment is at the center, and also it removed the underline. Okay, so now next what we will see is, so let me create a new file over here and save it first. So that will be next what we are going to see, we are going to learn about okay, so next we will see if you use the different pages. I mean, if you use different devices, in which device it should be displayed in a horizontal and a vertical. When you just reduce your page size, like when you minimize your page size, when you maximize your page size, your pages, so how it should be displayed, the navigation bar should be displayed either in the vertical shape or in the horizontal shape, or when you use the mobile, in the mobile, how those navigation bars should be displayed. So that we are going to learn now. So I will save this in the device navbar, sorry, .html. Okay, so let me go back to this fast and quickly copy this part. Yeah, so save this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now here what we have to do is we need to add a tag, that is meta tag. So what this meta tag does, so meta tag will just adjust the width of the device. So what device you are using, according to your device width, it will adjust the page. It helps to adjust that. Okay, so for that you have to create the meta tag in the header section. So create meta tag, and name of the name will be viewport, and content is equals to width is equals to device width, comma, initial scale is equals to 1.0. Okay, and close this. All right, so content width. So content is equals to width is equals to device width. Yeah. Then next, okay, next what I'm doing is I'm not closing this header section here. Okay, just open the style tag, and in this style tag write the, okay, first we will close the style and then we will just open the body tag. That will be better. And close the body tag and close the HTML. Okay, sorry, first head you will close it here. Yeah, and then HTML will close it here. Okay, now what we will do, we will just create the content for the body first. Okay, yeah, so first I'm creating the UL here. Okay, so UL list a href is equals to home, and close this and type here, sorry, home, close the anchor tag, close the list. Just copy this and paste it. Okay, now this will be about, and this will be contact, and this will be news, right? And also don't forget to close your UL, and below the UL start creating the div element. So for the div element we have to write the style is equals to padding 0 and 16, sorry, padding 0 and 1 will be 16 pixel. Close this. Okay, and I'm creating the h2, so this will be something, this is heading. Okay, close the h2 and close a paragraph, open a paragraph and type something in it. This is a paragraph. Okay, and if you want to just increase this. Yeah, okay, and after this, okay, just close this div. All right, save this, and now let's go for the style. So first you have to style the UL part. Okay, as we already know, so start designing the UL first. Okay, now, and one more thing is that I'm creating the class for the div element here. Okay, not div element, the UL. So for the UL I'm creating a class here, that is a top nav is my class name. Okay, so here UL dot top nav, and I'm writing the style for this here. So style will be around, so what styles you want to apply. So let's see, list style type none. Okay, just to avoid the bullets, and margin will be 0 and padding will be 0. Okay, and overflow auto hidden, overflow hidden. Then background color I want to mention, that is black, obviously. Okay, yeah, and next let's open the li, sorry, ul dot top nav. Yeah, so float top nav li. It means what? So here I'm applying the top nav class for the ul and the li, both I'm applying the float left. Okay, save this, and then next come down. So ul dot top nav li a for everything. One more style I'm applying here, display flow, display inline. Okay, let's apply display block. Okay, and color of the text will be white. Text align, center, and padding 14 pixel, 16 pixel. Okay, and then text decoration, none. All right, now